What's up guys, it's me, obviously. I'm going to go through my backpack today. Obviously I'm not going to use it again for the rest of the year, nor am I using anything inside of it, so I can actually throw it all away. But I thought, why not go through it, because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of weird things in here. Or there probably isn't, I don't know. I haven't looked in my backpack in 2 months. I also got this new little peep hoodie. I don't know what my dad is doing. He's drilling something in the wall. I don't know if you can hear that. So this is my backpack. It's fairly dirty. Riley gave it to me because the one I had broke, and then Pumbaa, I let her use my other one, so then I used this one. But I got that other one back. So we're gonna start with the small pocket. Here's your pens and pencils and markers. My Dwight keychain that kept falling off, so I haven't put it on yet. And then just a bunch of gum wrappers. Ooh, a quarter. A quarter. This because ibuprofen. You never know. A liner. And that's it for the first bucket. Not that interesting. Okay. Wipes, because I get greasy sometimes, and I actually stopped wearing makeup like on my eyes and everything, so I was able to wipe my whole face. A bunch of index cards, because that's what we were doing towards the end of school in MedCorps, was like practicing these over and over. We're gonna put trash over here. My wallet that only has my my bus pass in it. Yeah, because my other stuff got stolen. Because people are so wonderful at my school. A hall pass. More pencils and erasers. Colored pencils that I literally only used a few times and then school was canceled. My math notebook. I don't need this. My anatomy notebook, also don't need this. We had just started this one. Wait, no we didn't. Okay, never mind. A phone wall adapter thing. This isn't trash. Hand sanitizer, which I used a lot towards the end there. A bunch of math work. We literally had so many things due at the end of school. Like towards the end, like I had like 4 tests. I had my notebooks due. We had just started a new notebook. It was a whole mess, and I'm so glad that I'm not glad we're in quarantine, but I'm glad that all of that was canceled, and I have not had one test since quarantine has started. Since online school, or whatever you want to call it. Just a bunch of math and history notes. Cool. That's fun. And then my trash, wow, that is attractive. Folder. I actually got a new one, and then we ended up not going back to school. So I'll just use that for next year. I literally don't carry around a binder. That was useless to me. This one's very worn out. So that's trash as well. And then hot fries. I ate hot fries like you would not believe. Kaylee always gave me hot fries, so I have a lot of those. And then just pieces of an assignment. I don't want to stuff that on my bed, that's nasty. Is that really it? And a pencil. Well, that was stupid. Yep, that's really it. That is really it. Oh, and I have this rainbow lanyard, which I should probably take off because I'm not going to use this one anymore. Was that a stupid video? Yes. Was my backpack disgusting? Yes. That's it. That is it. Bean. Bean is me. Bean. 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 Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. That's it. Stay safe, wash your nasty hands, and I have a lot more videos coming soon, and I'm really excited for them. So, yeah. Expect something new. Okay, stay safe. Bye.